So your 20 numbers completed, right? Now you need to, believe me, erase your all numbers, and I hope you all have taken the screenshots. Okay, now I'm closing my eyes, and now I'll tell you in the forward, I mean in the first to 20th order. Okay, so should I start? Okay, so first number was 6, then 5, 2, 1, 7, I think 1, yeah, okay, thanks. 1, then 2, then 1, once again 2, 9, 1, 1, 3, 0, once again 2, then 5, then 1, 8, and 2. Done? Okay, thank you. But believe me, if you use this technique, you can remember more than 100 numbers. And my record is to remember up to 255 numbers within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, I can remember 252 numbers. But do you know what is the world record? World record is somewhere around 7,822 numbers. No, yes. You need to believe this, and you can do this only by just practicing by 15 to 30 minutes per day. That's it, for a week continuously, and you are through with this. Okay, thanks. Sound technique, I like this very much. So this is depend on law of visualization and law of linking. So what does it mean? I'll let you know. For example, you want to learn some foreign language. For us, foreign language is English also. Okay. So maybe Anjani wants to learn some vocabulary within a week. So first word is extirpate. Now, if you want to remember this word for whole life, so do you know what extirpate means? To remove something which is bad or unwanted. तो अभी हिंदी तो आपकी मदर टंग है, तो एक्स्टरपेट को आप ऐसे पढ़ो, एक्स्ट्रा पेट, मतलब ये पेट आपका एक्स्ट्रा है. व्हाट इज दिस इमेज इज शोइंग इन दैट पेट इज एक्स्ट्रा ना. सो यू वांट टू रिमूव दैट पेट. एक्स्ट्रा पेट मीन्स दिस इज अनवांटेड विच यू वांट टू रिमेंबर. सो एक्स्टरपेट मीन्स to remove something which is unwanted. So now you can remember extirpate for whole life. So for next word for you is sabbatical. Sabbatical meaning is to take interval from the normal work or to take some leave in between. तो अगर आप इसको हिंदी में बोलेंगे, कैन एनीबडी ट्राई? सब बैठे कल. हाउ फैंटास्टिक, दैट ऑल्सो विल डू. ओके, हम ऐसे देखते हैं, सब बातें करेंगे कल. सब बातें कल मतलब आज कुछ नहीं करना, सब बातें कल. सो हो गया sabbatical. So now you have remembered two words, extirpate, sabbatical. So in this way, I'll tell you more 10 things. Okay. So I'll tell you more 10. Let's ask for seventh position. Seventh position, it was number 2. Yeah, you can clap for me. Okay. And at 13th position, it was 0. Okay, done. And okay, you have asked for 19th number. Okay, 19th it was 8. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. So this is not that you can remember number in any order. You can you can tell any number of any place, and that too up to 7,000 numbers. So don't you think that it's an amazing technique? Yes, it is not a trick. It is just a technology which you need to understand. So when you are coming next time for my advanced training program, in advanced training program, I'll be able to tell you how to remember more than 100 numbers. If you want to learn foreign language by using this technique, you can learn in 21 days. You can remember whole yearly calendar on your fingertip. If anybody tells you date, you will be able to tell him day. So that you can remember at your fingertips. You can remember up to the name of 100 of your audience if you are doing any presentation in any hall. You can remember whole book in a day. That is my challenge. And along with that, I am going to give you some freebies, and that was the technique given by Tony Buzan, and that is called mind map technique. So all these you can get in my advanced training program, and whenever I am conducting this advanced training program, I am going to share with you. Just share your all number, say hi on my WhatsApp number. Once again, note down my WhatsApp number, that is 9820703472. So thanks for a day. Thank you for joining. Have a good day.